A lot of altcoins are down right now, but I gotta say, the Kronos meme coins, at least the big ones, are holding up decently well right now. In fact, Mary mystery token on Kronos is in the green right now. But today I want to talk to you guys about Kronos in general, give you guys some metrics on the ZK-EVM network upgrade for Kronos, how that new network is going, some news stories happening with that, and what I think is going on with Crocoin versus Bitcoin, because the price action of CRO versus its BTC pairing is something that we really have to look at as CRO token lovers. So smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's get into this one, guys, because I know everybody's getting ready for this bull market and these parabolic gains that we've just had to be very patient for so far. And the patience needs to continue because Bitcoin's still stuck at around $69,000. Now, CRO, as we know, is actually very strong in the 30 rank range for a long time. It's been anywhere from rank 40 to rank 30 for a while. At some points in this bull market, it did pop up into the top 30. And when we see pumps in the overall market, Crocoin pumps as well, but maybe not as much as some meme coins out there, and maybe not as much as some of these other altcoins out there for now. And when the prices fall, like we're seeing lately, and again, just look at the last 7 days for crypto, and you will see 31%, 29% down, 27% down. There's a lot of coins that are down quite a bit right now, but CRO is not down so much right now. So all things considered, it is tough because I know a lot of people are waiting for a dollar CRO, which is 10x gains from here. And I think that's going to happen. But historically, we see the best price moves for this exchange token CRO, and the CRO is the native gas token for the Kronos chain. We see the move for this coin at the end of a bull market. Now, right now, how is the ecosystem doing? Well, all the meme coins have been coming down. Here's Crow with Knife coming down steadily, but honestly starting to kind of form a wedge where at any moment, I wouldn't be surprised to see these things move up. Right now, Mystery Mary token is hanging on to this 401 level and trying to scoot back up as well. And it does look like these want to come up. The good news is I think with CRO being such a low volatility coin until that parabolic move, I don't think that these coins are going to get affected too much to the downside, more so than they already have. And so honestly, if you're looking at buying the meme coins in the Kronos ecosystem, I do think that these are decent accumulation opportunities. Of course, being conscious that if altcoins do fall lower, there is a chance that these could fall lower as well. Though I'm impressed with how they're holding up right now, because again, Mary's up 2.9% today. Look at all the other top coins. They're not really up. So let's talk a little bit about, first of all, Crow versus Bitcoin. This is something that is down towards its lows. I don't think we're going to see a new low for CRO versus BTC. And again, this isn't a great accumulation zone. So what do we need to see this coin pump back up? I want to talk about a big announcement that came out here. First of all, for the memes, just note that VVS, the top DEX on Kronos, is still advertising the memes, and these are still having some meme mania, runs going on right now, and they're adding liquidity and they're juicing up rewards for people on VVS side. So they're still promoting their chain, right? And now we have the Kronos ZK-EVM chain. And here you go. DeFi Llama tweeted and Kronos chain reposted that the V2 and V3 for the Kronos chain EVM are now being showed on DeFi Llama. So how can you check it out? You go over to DeFi Llama, you go to chains, and here we see the Kronos chain, right? The one that we've known and loved for a long time. And then you could scroll down and you will see that it's not a massive chain yet, but it is here listed, the Kronos ZK-EVM, and it's got 20 million in total value locked up, which is actually quite significant considering how new this is. And when this full-on bull market comes, this is the thing that you got to look out for. How does CRO pump? Well, we need to see this total value locked in the DeFi ecosystem make new all-time highs, just like the total market cap of crypto, which I think is going to surpass $3 trillion in this bull market, possibly head to 10 trillion, who knows, maybe even 20 trillion, but 10 trillion is my real target. Anything from 6 to 10 trillion, I think is very achievable for the total market cap for crypto. And once that happens, I think the TVL will start to increase and people will start to use DeFi more because people will have more disposable income because of all their profits and their gains from Bitcoin, from some of the large cap coins, and then it inevitably flows down into some of the very low caps and some of the memes and some of the degen plays that people like to dabble with in the DeFi sector. And also people can then start taking out loans and borrowing more money in this space. And so inevitably, I think there's more money coming into the DeFi side of things, and Kronos is poised to have its first ever bull market. You got the Kronos chain, you got the Kronos ZK-EVM chain, you got the crypto.org chain, which I think they recently just renamed. I think maybe it is crypto.org still, but they are set. They've got products ready to go. They have their brands all over the place. And if you know what, honestly, Crocoin right now, somebody asked me the other day, is it a decent idea to put a 3x long on Crow? 3x long, I can kind of get behind, and that is not financial advice, my friends, but anything over 5x, you really have to be a very experienced trader. But when you're dealing with like 3x leverage, you know, you're growing the size of your bag and you're taking on less risk than if you were taking a 5x. You're still taking on risk, don't get me wrong. If Crocoin were to go all the way down to, you know, 5 cents, you probably get liquidated with doing 3x long, you know, from here. But honestly, guys, I do believe that this coin is going to continue to hold this price well. I'm very optimistic for the future of this coin. I do think that $1 is very achievable, as I'm sure you know. If you want to trade this coin yourself, you can do so signing up for Blowfin, using our link pinned in the comment section for you in the description down below. But anyway, super glad to see the Kronos ecosystem getting on DeFi Llama, the memes holding up right now. When this total market cap blasts off, I'm so bullish on Crocoin. What are your thoughts on CRO right now? Let me know in the comments down below. What are your thoughts on the Kronos memes? I want to get your feedback in the comments down below on that as well. That's all I got on this one, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button on your way out. Subscribe to the channel. DCA HODL. Do your own research, my friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. 2 videos for you right now, right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all.